Already I taught trigonometry ratio. Again one time I teach, because in a shortcut way we use our fingers easily find the trigonometry ratio. Thumb finger, index, middle, ring finger, little finger. We use our fingers easily find the trigonometry ratio. Sin theta is equal to root of number of fingers, thumb side, by 2. Cos theta equal to number of fingers little finger side divided by 2. Tan theta equal to root of number of fingers, thumb finger side, divided by root of number of fingers, little finger side. How to find? Now I will teach. This thumb finger 0 degree, this index finger 30 degree, middle finger 45 degree, ring finger 60 degree, little finger 90 degree. If you find 0 degree means you fold this finger. We find 30 degree means you fold this finger. You find 45 degree, you fold this finger. Which degree you want to find, that finger you fold it. First we find sin theta. Sin theta formula already I say, number of fingers, thumb finger side. Count the fingers, thumb finger side. First I find 0 degree, so you fold 0 degree. Thumb finger side you count it, no one is there, so 0, root of 0 divided by 2, 0 divided by any number, answer is 0. Next, sin 30 degree, so you hold this finger. So already formula you know, number of fingers, thumb finger side. Thumb finger side, how many fingers is there? 1. Root 1 by 2. We take root 1, answer is 1. So 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. Next we find 45 degree. So we fold this finger. So count this side. How many fingers is there? Thumb finger side 1, 2. So root 2 divided. Why do you put root? Formula is root of number of fingers, thumb finger side divided by 2. Root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 already know how do you write into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancel, answer 1 by root 2. Already you know how to write to root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancel, answer 1 by root 2. Next is 60 degree. So you fold this finger. Thumb finger say how many fingers is there? 3. Already we know the formula. Root of number of finger, thumb finger side. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3. Root 3. Formula divided by 2. So answer root 3 by 2. Next 90 degree. So you fold this finger. Formula root of number of fingers, thumb finger side. 1 thumb finger side, you count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 4 divided by 2. We take root 4, answer is 2 by 2. 2 cancel, answer 1. The sin theta means you count thumb finger side. Next we find cos theta. Cos theta you count little finger side. First we find 0 degree. We fold this finger 0 degree. Now you count little finger side. Little finger side, how many fingers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 3 root 4 root 4 by 2. Already know, take 4 root, answer is 2 by 2 1. So cos 0 degree 1. Next 30 degree, you fold this finger, which finger side you count it? Little finger side. So how many fingers is there? 1 2 3. Already know formula, root 3 by 2. Next 45 degree, cos theta we count little finger side. How many fingers is there? 1 2. Root 2 by 2. Already I said 2. How do you write? Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel. Answer 1 by root 2. Next 60 degree. So you fold this finger. Little fingers, how many fingers is there? 1. Root 1 by 2. If you take 1 root, answer is 1 by 2. Next 90 degree. 90 degree, fold this finger. Cos theta we count little finger side. Little finger side, how many fingers is there? No one is there. So 0 divided by 2, answer 0. Next sin theta, cos theta over. Next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, already know, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That formula this side also use. Tan theta equal to number of finger, thumb finger side, root of divided by root of number of finger, little finger side. We count thumb finger side and little finger side also. So first we find 0 degree. We fold this thumb finger. First we count thumb finger side. Thumb finger side, how many is there? 0. Root 0 by little finger side, how many fingers is there? Root 4. Already you know 0 divided by anything, answer is 0. Next 30 degree, you fold this finger. First you count thumb finger side. How many fingers is there? 1. Root 1 by little finger, how many fingers is there? 3. Root 3. So root 1 answer is 1. 1 by root 3. Next 45 degree. First we count thumb finger side 2, little finger side 2. 2 divided by 2, answer 1. Next 60 degree. Next thumb finger side, how many fingers is there? 3. Root 3 by little finger side, how many fingers is there? Root 1. Divided any number divided by 1, answer is same number only. So answer root 3. Next last one, 90 degree. So you count thumb finger side 4. Root 4 divided by little finger side 0. This answer is undefined. Divided by any number divided by 0, answer is undefined. In sin theta formula, number of fingers, thumb finger side. We find sin theta means we count thumb finger side. When we find cos theta, you count the little finger side. Every finger, thumb finger 0 degree, index finger 30 degree, middle finger 45 degree, ring finger 60 degree, little finger 90 degree. We find easily, we use our finger, easily we find the trigonometry ratios. Already you know cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, very easy only. Cosecant theta, reverse of sin theta. Cosecant theta, reverse of cos theta. Cot theta, reverse of tan theta. So cosecant 0 degree, we find sin theta. Sin theta inverse cosecant theta. So 0 divided by any number 0, answer is infinity. Next 30 degree 1 by 2. So 2. 45 degree 1 by 2 inverse root 2. Root 3 by 2 inverse 2 by root 3. 1 inverse 1. Next 1 inverse 1. Secant, you see the cos theta. Root 3 by 2 inverse 2 by root 3. 1 by 2 inverse 2 root 2. 1 by 2 inverse 2. 0 inverse infinity. Next cot theta already know 0 inverse infinity 1 by root 3 inverse root 3 1 root 3 inverse 1 by root 3 infinity inverse 0.